Hey guys, it's Vince with CG Vinyl Studio, and today I'm working with my HD Chrome again, and I wanted to discuss, because we're getting a lot of questions about what products sell with this material. Because again, a lot of ideas come up, and I'm going to be truthful, the best products are the ones that are extremely unique. In my case, I make a lot of badges, a lot of more like labels, and this material is absolutely amazing, especially if you have a product that you want to pop. These are my classic aviation labels, and these are actually used on real aircraft to signify about the plane as far as details about it, what it can carry, so on and so forth. And I just took that remodeling and went with a ID tag for RC pilots. Now, again, everybody's technique, everybody's model, as far as where you're going with your graphics production, is going to be unique to what you're doing. But the main thing is with our materials, I'm confident that as long as you have the proper support materials, and of course I'm talking about a quality printer and of course a proper manual laminator, you're going to get the result you want. So again, we have no lamination here. We've got our tape on our three edges to make sure the material is nice and flat, and you can see exactly what we've got here. I'm standing back because you do not want to speak around this material, because if you do, and it gets juicy and you get a little moisture on here from your talking, you're going to have problems. So again, this material is much more sensitive. The reflection is absolutely insane. You'll see that when we're done. Stay tuned. Okay guys, you can see exactly what we've got here. Anything that you see as far as pressure points, like right here, everything over here, the thing to keep in mind, you want to have a good space between your art and your actual roller of your laminate. And you can see that's what we've done here. Laminated roll comes over here. You can see where the laminating roll actually hops the tape in the first piece of laminate, where it actually is making contact with the substrate, and then it comes over as far as the product itself, the graphics. Now, of course, these are bleed cut, so you'll never see any of that. It'll all be cut, and you can see these came out gorgeous. Once again, we always give our clients extras. He ordered 20, gets 24. And you can see what we have here, and we're going to do the cut process. We'll show you exactly what we got after that, but you can see that reflection. There is no other material like this when laminated with 3M8518. I can tell you that for a fact. So we're going to do the cut process. We'll show you that when it's completed. Okay guys, we've already got it loaded into the Suma. And once again, we got Vinyl Master all set up, and we are ready to go right here. So again, Suma T75 series tangential head, you'll see it get active now. She's got 2 passes active. Go for it. Okay. Doing our scanning process. Go. Now again, we like to do 2 passes on this substrate because it is thicker. It gives us nice clean lines, and the Suma again gives you amazing performance as far as cutting ability and precision. Now this is a bleed cut, so of course we're not going to have any vinyl showing. These essentially look like they are mounted on the models that they apply them to. Right across, finishing up the sheet in no time. Alright guys, when she's done weeding it, we'll film the finished product. Okay guys, Joanna has got the sheet. She already cut the edges off, and now she's going to weed it. And you can see now our finished product. Awesome. That's what you're paying for with the Suma. You can see those clean edges. And I'm hoping you can see, and you can, the bleed. You see it coming across, and here's our finished product. Once again, beautiful. Clients love them, we love them, and we want to keep everybody happy, and you can see exactly what you're left with. So again, guys, if you have any questions about this substrate or you want to get a setup for your business, just let us know. We'll see what we can put together. Again, we offer custom sheet sizes as well as custom packs for whatever you're trying to accomplish. Thank you for your support. Take care. Hey guys, it's Vince with CG Vinyl Studio, and it's a little bit after 3 o'clock, and we are running the P7000 and knocking out some custom graphics on our Aqua Vinyl. Now, we had a client contact us who wanted custom car show graphics for his vehicle, and again, these are going to come out real nice, once again supporting U.S. Marines. So I wanted to show exactly what you can expect with the different color arrays on this material, because again, we still are getting tons and tons of questions about this, and to see it, it's really just something you have to work with and see up close and personal. And again, the best I can do is shoot in 4K and give you guys an example of what you're looking at when you print with this. Now again, the P7000 does have a really nice color spectrum, but you can see as it's going through the printer what it looks like. And I definitely want to thank all our service members out there. Again, this gentleman was very kind, and he really wanted these, and this is something that I've had for a while. I just remastered the colors, and I think it really made a difference. But this material is so easy to work with as far as really dialing in all of your colors. It really lays them down more like a paint, and that was what I was really looking at doing, because again, most of the graphics you see on the market, they're just not, the vinyls are just not that vivid. See it coming through. And I cannot emphasize enough, do not believe that a $100 printer with this substrate is really going to give you the result you're looking for. You really want to stay probably in that $300 to $500 range for a quality inkjet printer, better quality print head, higher resolution, and you are really going to get some amazing results. Yeah, we're starting to bleed through now. Once again, just a little after 3 o'clock, so it's really nice. If you do work from home, we both do, and it's awesome to think we can clean up orders whenever we want. And right now, we'll either, get ready to do putting groceries away at this point and whatever else you have to do, and in the meantime, the robot's working. So you can handle this then whenever you want. And as I said in previous videos, I don't know many part-time jobs that let you do this and make full-time income. Once those colors come through the bottom, then you'll really get to see what I'm talking about in level of detail. Vinyls that are more like paper, guys, more like matte vinyl, they are not going to let the ink sit on top, giving you that real vivid color spectrum you're looking for. We get a lot of questions on that. That's why I'm not always a fan of matte vinyl, especially for auto graphics. You want something to pop, something that resembles more like paint, then you're definitely going to want a vinyl that is glossy and that allows the ink to sit on top without penetration. And now, and again, this isn't laminated yet, but you can definitely see those colors on what they look like. Really amazing. Guys, we have the print out of the printer and it is ready to go, but I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. If you look at how these graphics turned out, these are not laminated. This is just the material, and you can see how this ink literally just lays on top, just like a painted surface. Now, in comparison to matte vinyl, which is more like a paper, and you can see how it's still, again, a very high quality vinyl. It's just a question that these are different substrates. This projects these images much, much better, and you even have a high gloss on this, even though we do not have lamination yet. So again, we're going to laminate it. I'll show you the finished product after it's been cut, and you can check it out. Okay, we are now loaded in the Summa, and again, you can see we've got our rollers all set up. Joanna's going to go in, take the M16 Alienware, and get everything set up for Vinyl Master.
We've got 155 and 2 passes.
Now she is doing 2 passes on this because this material, again, a little bit thicker, it's way more durable, and doing 2 passes assures a really nice clean cut. She's right now aligning the head for registration. Takes a couple seconds, and there we go. You guys will see that gloss when this comes through, because of course it's laminated now, and you basically have a painted finish. You'll see that when it goes through. Yeah, look at that gloss. Just so everyone is aware, to all my novice people out there with vinyl, doing 2 passes simply means that we're cutting our cuts twice. And why we do that, by retracing them, we assure ourselves that they're going to release nice and easy. And you can see, like I said, this sheet literally looks like wet paint. No texture like you normally see with vinyl, nothing. And now these other graphics, believe it or not, they are for my other business to label enclosures. So again, it's really a matter of you guys taking notes on the fact that functional graphics are super popular. They make things super accessible. And again, then you have cosmetic graphics, and you can do them both basically at will. You just have to figure out what application you're working with. You see that Summa just going right through them. I'll show you as soon as it's done what we've got with the left product. Go. Okay, going over to the table. Okay guys, we are right now on the table, and again, we've got the graphics out, and you can definitely see that gloss. It's ridiculous. See if I can pan this way. And you can see where we're at. She's going to weed them real quick. And there we go. The other really cool thing about the Aqua Vinyl is it does have a clear backing, which, again, if you want to see what the graphic is going to look like before it's applied, makes it really easy to see the substrate you're about to apply it to. And again, right here, guys. Here we go. It's easier to do it that way. And these look awesome. So again, guys, keep the questions coming. We're getting a lot more questions about this vinyl, and whatever you want to know, naturally message Joanna and I, and we'll naturally get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your support. Take care.